Tragedy in the skies of Kentucky. It was a deadly crash involving two Black Hawk helicopters.
Ron has the very latest in the newsroom. What happened, Ron?
All right, so it was last night, and these Black Hawk helicopters crashed during a routine training mission very close to the Tennessee-Kentucky state line in Trigg County, Kentucky. So the choppers were part of the Army's 101st Airborne Division, certainly a historic unit in the United States military. They were flying out of Fort Campbell. Military and state officials both say that an investigation will be happening. They went down during a nighttime training flight. The military says they were using standard night vision technology. No reports, by the way, of any damage or injuries to civilians or buildings below. But officials say they're focusing on the soldiers and their families who were involved in this tragic crash. Kentucky's governor spoke at a news conference. That's Andy Beshear just a few minutes ago, speaking about the victims and their families and honoring them for their sacrifice to the United States.
The 9 individuals we lost are children of God. They will be mourned and missed by their families, by their communities. We are blessed to live in the freest country in the history of planet Earth, but we must remember that that freedom relies on those who are willing to serve, some of which pay the ultimate price.
So 9 lives lost in all. No one survived on board either of the Blackhawks. And it comes about a month or so since a Blackhawk helicopter crash in Alabama where 2 National Guard pilots lost their lives. So the cause of this one remains unknown. But as I say, the investigation will be getting underway very quickly. And we should know something about this nighttime crash using night vision technology in the coming days. Guys.
Yeah, dangerous work done by the men and women in uniform, no matter where they are, Ron.
Good point.
All right. Thank you for that.